video how to change your spark plugs on Honda HRV Sport. First thing you do is you take the coils out like this. I removed that coil already, so I just place it here. Take your spanner with a spark plug tool, removal tool. Just undo that. Yeah, just dropped it, that's okay. Yeah, that's your spark plug tool, and it's a spark plug. Quite bad, so it needs to be replaced. Take a new spark plug. For Honda HRV it takes ZFR5J11. I'll go with the standard one because they're $5.60 at the shop each, and the platinum, they just last longer, that's all, but it's easy to replace. I'll go with, like, I can do 2 or 3 changes of the normal one and still gonna be cheaper, and you will have new spark plugs all the time. Regarding performance, I read some forums and it says just platinum and iridium just last a bit longer, that's all, maybe twice. So you take a new spark plug, put it into the spark plug removal tool here. I got a rubber at the end, so hold your spark plug. Make sure it's secure so it doesn't fall and you don't close the gap, because the gap is very important. And just put it back on and screw it in, tied it up.